Hey, 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 it's Dr. J. Hi, everybody. Doing a quick video on Prezi. So I create a lot of my lectures interactively using Prezi. So Prezi is basically an interactive online version of using slideshows. So I normally log in using my educator account. Using your educator account gives you a few more perks than if you just use your regular account. So that's what Prezi is. So I'm going to show you some things in here. So let's log in. So as you see, I have a couple of different accounts here saved. I'm going to go to my Valencia account and we are going to log in. So Prezi has come up with a couple of new things to do in here if you haven't been in here in a while. So there's Prezi Next, and then there's Prezi Classic. I like using Classic because I'm more familiar with it. Prezi Next takes a little bit more skill and time to do, but they're both just as user-friendly. So here's a presentation I've created for this particular demonstration. So I'm going to go to Edit to show you a couple things. Now it's easier to do it in Chrome. You can also do it in Safari or Internet Explorer. I'm just going to say continue because I'm using this just to show you a few things. So it takes a minute for it to load up current presentations, but once it loads up, it has a ton of user-friendly items to utilize in here. So this is currently one of the lectures I'm using in my GEB 3213 Business Writing Communications class. This is chapter 3. So to give you some insight on this, this looks a lot more complicated than what it is. So this is the entire show that I use for the lecture. And then these are the individual slides. So first of all, let me tell you how I was able to get these slides in here. So what I did was I created the slides in PowerPoint, and then I went up here to Insert, and I went down to the PowerPoint button, and then I was able to insert a PowerPoint from wherever I have it saved. So it loads up and you can move them wherever you want. So this makes it a little bit easier because when you're going into your lecture, now it's a seamless show, right? You're going through your items. I have my class agenda list. I'm able to go through the slides seamlessly, go over the lecture key points. I do some type of icebreaker when I'm in class, and so I'm able to create that before I'm able to get into the classroom. And then I had the learning objectives, of course. Now, the fantastic part about Prezi is you can embed YouTube videos right into your presentation. So when we go into present mode and it comes to this slide, I'm able to play the YouTube video right from the slide. Okay. Now you can put as many of these items in here as you want to. I often just have a couple of interactive items. For instance, we do a lot of communication, critical thinking, and then of course a few more videos just to break up the monotony in the class. And then we have critical thinking assignments. So here you're able to take a pause, have students do interactive things, and everything you want to do for the entire lecture is in one place. So once you have got your presentation where you want it, you can either go to present or you can go to exit. I like going to exit because it takes you right to the slideshow immediately. And from the slideshow, you get a direct link. So when I have my presentation ready to go and I want to share it with students, once it loads up, I can go straight down here and I can present remotely, I can download, or I can share. So when you click the share button, it takes you to the direct link. So this is the link that you copy and you put in your course as a hyperlink if you're teaching it online. And then this is people that I've actually shared it with. You can share it directly by just adding an email here as well. Super friendly, super friendly. So being that this is the actual presentation, I can present it by going to present mode, which is right here. And then I'm able to zoom into the presentation, and all the graphics are still loading up. But these arrows at the bottom make it seamless. So as you see, I'm able to still go through everything even though the content is currently loading. Then we get to one of the videos, which is right here. So once this loads up, I'm able to click it and it starts automatically. Okay, so that's basically how you would do this. It's pretty interesting. It's user-friendly. It takes a minute for it to load, especially if you have a lot of interactive pieces in here. But for the most part, it's also easy to edit. So you can just go simply to edit, and then it takes you back to the edit mode in your presentation. And again, the amount of time that takes it to load up depends on how many slides you have, what kind of content you have, how interactive it is. All these different things are key. So I can always just go back to my Prezi actual, where'd it go? There it goes. I can go to my Prezi dashboard, and all of my presentations are here. You can create folders, I normally do, and separate the classes as well. So let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. And as always, I am here for you and your success. Have a wonderful day.